How does failure impact the morale and commitment of your staff in the workplace? It's an important question, isn't it? When a project, large or small, fails, it's not just the company's bottom line that takes a hit. The morale and commitment of the team involved can also be deeply affected. Leadership. Coach Rebecca Zucker, in an insightful article for the Harvard Business Review, discusses this very impact. She emphasizes that a failure can understandably cause a dip in the team's spirit, but here's the twist. It's not the end of the world, nor should it be the end of your team's motivation. According to Zucker, it's crucial for leaders to keep their employees engaged and motivated even when the project has stumbled. The failure of a project doesn't necessarily equate to the failure of a team. Remember, the key lies in the leader's ability to keep the team motivated even when the project has fallen off the rails. What happens when failure is at the door? Leadership coach Rebecca Zucker suggests a revival strategy: setting new clear goals. When a project stumbles, it's an opportunity to reassess and redefine what success looks like. Remember, a staggering 70% of all projects fail due to a lack of clear goals. So by re-establishing these objectives, you can breathe fresh life into the project and your team. Setting new clear goals can reignite the motivation and commitment of your team. How can you use failure as a learning opportunity? A brilliant question, isn't it? Leadership coach Rebecca Zucker suggests turning troubleshooting into a group activity. It's not about pointing fingers but about unraveling the root cause collectively. As a leader, this is your chance to set the stage for psychological safety. Acknowledge your own missteps first. This encourages honesty and fosters a culture of learning from mistakes rather than fearing them. By creating a safe space for open discussion, you allow your team to learn from failure and grow stronger. How does staffing and motivation play into project success? Rebecca Zucker asserts that ensuring enough personnel in the right places is crucial. More than half of all projects exceed double the original budget, making staffing paramount. Zucker also advises leaders to understand what motivates different employees. Recognizing individual currency, be it career advancement, monetary rewards, or intellectual stimulation, can effectively drive motivation. Understanding your team's currency and ensuring adequate staffing can significantly increase your chances of project success. Why should leaders keep in close contact and celebrate small wins? Well, let's consider Rebecca Zucker's advice. She emphasizes the importance of regular feedback sessions, be it weekly meetings or brief status checks. This constant communication keeps everyone in the loop, fostering a sense of unity. And when there are successes, no matter how small, don't let them go unnoticed. A little recognition can go a long way to boost morale, instill optimism, and create a feeling of progress. Celebrating small wins and maintaining clear communication lines can keep your team motivated and optimistic, even in the face of failure. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more interesting stuff. Thanks for watching.